The aim of this video is to explain the role of each component of Team Together. Let's start with the components for pupils. The Pupils Book is designed to be used in class, though some parts can be set as homework. The Pupils Book teaches vocabulary, grammar, and skills through interesting topics and stories. Each Pupils Book comes with access to the student area of the Pearson English portal. This varies by level. Resources include interactive homework activities assigned by the teacher, which are automatically graded by the system, interactive games that students can do in their own time, culture videos and story animations, and access to earlier homework activities. There's also a Pupils Book e-book with embedded audio and video. As well as the Pupils Book, children will be using an activity book. The activity book is designed for use in the class and for homework. The activity book provides additional practice of the vocabulary and grammar introduced in the Pupils Book. The 3 vocabulary booster books can be used alongside the main Team Together components. They are designed to be a fun and engaging way of consolidating and extending vocabulary from the Team Together series. Each vocabulary booster includes 10 units, based around a different topic relevant to children and their lives. These books can be used in general English classes, and also to support those pupils wishing to go on and take these external exams. To accompany Team Together, these 2 practice books offer strategies, guidance and practice papers for the PTE Young Learners tests, grouped together into tests for younger and older learners. Now, let's look at components for the teacher. The Teacher's Book provides all the support and resources you need to run a lesson, such as objectives, teaching notes, pupils' book pages, audio scripts, and answer keys. At the beginning of every unit, you can find a list of objectives, language covered, key competencies, 21st century skills, and assessments in the unit. As well as step-by-step instructions, there are lots of tip boxes including extra activities for TPR and fast finishes, and to develop learning skills, creativity, and critical thinking. Diversity boxes offer ideas for mixed ability classes to either support or challenge students as required. Every teacher's book comes with an access code to the Pearson English portal, which contains the presentation tool and other resources. Let's start with the presentation tool. The presentation tool can be used with projectors or interactive whiteboards. It will help focus students' attention on the lesson. All audio and video files are embedded in the digital lessons. The resource area contains class audio, class video, tests, photocopiables, answer keys, games, assignable homework activities, and GSE teacher mapping booklets. The games are fun grammar and vocabulary activities that students can do in their own free time, or you can do with the whole class. Homework activities can be assigned as homework or used in a computer lab. Assignable activities are checked automatically, and the scores are visible in the gradebook, allowing teachers to see students' progress individually and as a class. Flashcards and word cards provide photos and vocabulary for every unit. Ideas for using the flashcards and word cards can be found in the Teacher's Book lesson notes and in the Games Bank. The story cards are large, frame-by-frame versions of the cartoon stories in each unit of the Pupils Book in levels 1 and 2. On the back of each card, there is the video script and some questions. The posters are a great visual aid for presenting and consolidating vocabulary and are created from the unit openers. The classroom posters contain 5 posters that can be used with any level of the course. We have now discussed all the components of Team Together. To learn about these components in more detail, please watch the other videos in the series.